How is a truck scale calibrated? A step-by-step guide. Proper truck scale calibration is essential for ensuring accurate, reliable weighments, particularly in industries where precision is critical. Calibration should only be handled by a certified scale technician who uses a test truck equipped with certified test weights to fine-tune the scale. Here's a breakdown of the truck scale calibration process. Step 1. Unloading test weights. The technician arrives on site with a certified test cart loaded with 25,000 pounds of test weights. These weights are essential for ensuring calibration accuracy. Each weight is certified by the state lab, providing a trustworthy baseline for calibration. Step 2. Testing each scale section, as found. The technician runs the test cart across each section of the scale to record the initial accuracy of the equipment, known as the as found condition. This provides a snapshot of how the scale is performing before any adjustments are made. Step 3. Making scale adjustments. Once the technician has the as-found data, fine-tuning adjustments are made using the junction box summing board. This step ensures that all sections of the truck scale are aligned and reading weights accurately. Step 4. Truck scale calibration is performed. With the junction box adjustments complete, the technician performs the actual calibration, which involves ensuring that the scale's indicator matches the known test weights exactly. Step 5. Retesting after scale adjustment is made. After calibration, the technician reloads the test cart and weights and reruns the same process to verify the accuracy of the scale's measurements. This final check ensures that no errors were introduced during adjustment. Step 6. Full truck test and final report. The process concludes with a full truck test, where the technician ensures that the entire system is functioning accurately. They complete the as-left section of the calibration report, certifying the scale for continued use. Why regular scale calibration matters? Regular truck scale calibration is crucial for industries that depend on precision. Inaccurate readings can lead to financial loss, compliance issues, and operational inefficiencies. Our selection of B-Tech truck scales and indicators are engineered to simplify this process, allowing for straightforward calibration, quick adjustments, and reliable weighing results. Visit centralcarolinascale.com for more info on our truck scales and calibration services.